Well, we have the most perfect day for you. A warm hello in every sense of the word. The sun is out, the football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. This, of course, the fixture to which we've been looking forward so very, very much, and for so very, very long. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch is pristine, the crowd basking in the sun, smiles on faces. A really good omen for the game, we hope. The matchday noise at this place is truly special. The pride, the passion, it adds to a massive sense of occasion. It is a true heavyweight clash.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
So off we go then. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Well, I've got my eye on Militao, who's developing his game very well and quite quickly. I think you need...
Mbappe! Good try. The outcome could so easily have been different.
Yeah, he may have snatched it down a bit, even though it was quite close.
Now that's well seen too. And it's played forward. Murillo moved on forwards. And that is as far as they're going to go. Vinicius Junior. Vinicius Junior showed plenty of zest in getting to the ball, but couldn't quite sort it out. Vinicius Junior. Mendy climbs up big! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. That's a good run down the left. He's got plenty of space out wide here. Aimed in towards the centre. It's run loose. Who's going to get there? That's a throw. Benacer. Oh, it's played into the area. Rudiger with the clearance.
Well, Peter, look how far up the fullbacks are getting now. This is really high.
And constantly after the ball, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they're weighing up their options to see how long they can sustain this and suppress those wide opposition players.
Out of play for a throw. Camavinga. Carvajal. Still goalless at the moment. Looks to the other side. Hardly less said about that pass, the better. Carvajal. And Rodrigo. Shifted upfield. Mbappe! That comes as a mighty relief. Greenwood pinches it off him. He's got away. Vinicius Junior. Rodrigo. Played out to the left flank. Nice bit of skill, and he's away. Passing is crisp and sharp. No, he's not getting his way this time. Threads one in. O'Reilly. Now they can break here. And for a moment you felt that was going some... Mbappe! Oh, that was no routine save.
Mbappe clearly thought he had the beating of the keeper.
Marseille can start a counter here. Oh, that's a key interception. Chouameni. It's a good spell of possession, this. Carvajal. Oh, he's in!
Mbappe really needed to concentrate on protecting the ball. Then again, he was being very closely marshalled.
Decent hit! Decent enough try.
Vinicius Junior did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
Gently done. Valverde. So still we are where we began. It's 0-0. Ah, that's a fine interception. And they can counter here. There's good running with the ball. That tackle was certainly sturdy. Ball is over the line. Benacer, and he whips it in. Rudiger clears it away. Played it again. That's going to go a long way. That'll be a throw. Benacer. Oh, it's a promising build-up. There's plenty of really nice passing. Hit into the middle, and it's hoisted clear. Benacer, and that's aimed into the middle. He's had a hit! And that's it for the first half, a breathless ending. Well, it has been a half largely of could-haves and should-haves. Perhaps the more impatient amongst the supporters will feel they're overdue a goal, but it's certainly not for the want of trying, so nothing to show as yet. At the break, it's 0-0. Any strong opinions on the first half?
Marseille just need to relax a little and ease off on crosses, Peter. They have the talent to play with more variety and craft.
Interesting half, just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break, 0-0. And we are already promptly back underway. 0-0 then, and we're back underway. Out for a throw. Final checks on the touchline. A change about to occur. Valverde. And he's had it nicked away. Mendy has been caught there. It's a foul. Pressure stays on, it is a corner. They've played it short. Carvajal. And now they can spring out of defence. Delicate ball, and it needs to be. Courtois deals with it effortlessly. Valverde. Vinicius Junior. Pavard. Well, Jim, this really does look like a safety in numbers approach to defending we're seeing here.
Well, sometimes you just have to prepare for what's coming your way. And
Mbappe! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
O'Reilly. Rodrigo. And that's a superb pass. Oh, that was nice, but not quite the end product required.
Greenwood deserves a lot of credit for his willingness to make those runs. The passers will always have an option with him.
Cleared away. That's good play. Stood up well to him there. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. Vinicius Junior. Rodrigo. Bellingham. Oh, lovely feed, he is such a good mover. Pavard getting this one clear. Mendy. Vinicius Junior. Now the great chance! Out to the right. Challenge just a bit on the firm side. Well, that looks a foul. Yeah, the referee's given it. There could be trouble here. But for now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
The referee's awarded a free kick. And it's been taken straight back. Passing nice and neat. Mbappe! Well, that is rather wayward.
Mbappe knew immediately he didn't catch that to his liking, and his face was a picture of dissatisfaction.
Eder Militao. Looking for the run-up. And the counter is on.
Marseille merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
Bellingham. Rodrigo.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
And here's Aubameyang.
You wonder if that's it now, but there may be one more opportunity, Peter, for a late steal here. Well, the moans and groans from the stands now are very audible.
He's not played the ball, that's a foul. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Fran Garcia. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. O'Reilly. And now the breakaway. That's a nicely measured pass. Benacer. Oh, good spread. Fiddles it through. And it's hoisted clear. And that's it.